What's up, y'all? I hope y'all are having a good one. Figured I'd do a little cold start in the absolute cold. All the snow we got up here. Maybe we'll do a little donut, get the car put away, and just want to give you guys something to watch. Bet you ain't never seen a twin turbo G8 on some Hoosiers. Do some donuts. Call this the true coldest start. I haven't started this car in probably a week, maybe a little longer. As you can see, my hand's kind of shaking because I'm damn cold. But grab the primaries. Nothing's warm. It's not warm at all. Let's go. Let's see how many cranks it takes. All these cold starts. Let's see them. All right, let's go. A battery charger on this thing too. See if it even fires. Well, that didn't go as planned. Slicks are no good for Brodies, dude. Donuts, whatever you want to call them. Obviously, we know that because there's no traction on them. So, yeah. Good old Hoosiers. Anyways, I hope it was entertaining. Just a little bit, maybe. Even though we couldn't get rowdy on these slicks. But still plenty more to come on the car. I plan on doing a bunch more things. Probably just going to do some track rentals, because I'm not going to be able to get everything done to the car to run it per spec. But obviously, because the car's been 960 already. So just wanted to say thanks. You all following along and subscribing. and I'm gonna try to do some more. There's some I might even go drive it maybe before Christmas. I want to do some drifting and stuff. I've always wanted to. Sean Olin, if you've ever seen him, he's out there drifting in his twin turbo vet. This is a bigger car, obviously, and I don't have, quite the angle that he has on his car, but it'd be a lot of fun. I've always wanted to do it, but we'll see what happens. Like I said, plenty more to do. Probably get the car on a dyno, obviously, soon, because not going to be able to be on the street. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Plenty more to come. And if you got them goals and dreams and everything, definitely go after it. Don't ever give up. Anything's achievable. I'm just a normal person. My normal garage. I'm not some big shot over here. So obviously a home-built G8, But yeah, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And sorry about the portrait mode. I just wanted to see how it worked. And obviously it works for other programs and stuff like that. But most people watch it on the phone anyway. So probably won't do it much more. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. And I'll see y'all real soon. Have a Merry Christmas if I don't see you before then. And be safe. Have fun with your families. Peace out.